Tony made. Look underneath the truck, makes it a little fluids on the ground. Truck's all right to make them second pass later.
All right, guys, we have distance 329.02. 329.02.
Getting some daylight under that left front tire. Short wheelbase will do that.
At the far end of the track, or like where that green down here?
Van Hazley, all them guys out running, so similar to what we see out here in the Midwest. Almost instantly. Rocks and dirt flying out. You see a rock in my nose.
All right, guys, we have a new second place competitor, 324.06. 324.06. So, in one...
Tried going for the converter lockup, it just did not want to carry it. Sounds wounded.
259.11. 259 and 11 inches. 259.
Once again, Julie Steed, come down to the gate at the front of the grandstands. We have your phone. Crew steps away, green lights come on, the sledding, green flags fly.
That's your free flag.
Oddwell's running over his last minute checks of the power-driven truck. And they'll bring the Chargers to life, sending it down the 300-foot track. Trying to hop, skip, and jump his way down the track. We saw a lot of air underneath tires, Jason.
All right, so we were almost home from UCC. It was pretty good. It was fun, wasn't it?
Yes, sir.
What do you think?
Yeah, good time. It was a good time.
Yeah, it was a good time. It was pretty cool.
Next year?
Yeah, we'll be back next year. The sled pulls got a little boring today, but it wasn't bad. What time did we leave? 1 o'clock? Yeah, we probably left about 1 o'clock.
Hang on.
Okay. You know, L5P burnout here.
Blowing off some steam.
Yeah. Okay. Did you hear it? I don't know. You probably didn't, but
not hair dryer.
It's not even pissed off. It's just a hair dryer. But no, it was good. It was pretty fun. It was cool to see all the trucks. I guess I wish they could have ran a little more often, but it was still pretty cool. I mean, we missed Fire Punk's 7-second run though. We were walking around the expo at that point, but it was still pretty cool. What was your favorite part?
I'm
The after party?
The after party. Yeah, you can't beat that. That was
Yeah, we after last night we ended up driving around a bit. Then we went back to our hotel, and there was, I don't know, 15, 20 trucks hanging out, and then they just kept rolling in. Was there probably almost 100 trucks there by the end of the night?
Yeah, we had half the
That was pretty cool.
parking lot filled up.
Yeah, dude, doing
Some rubber marks got laid down.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know where they came from.
Rubber marks came from somewhere. I don't know.
Lots of smoke too.
Yeah. Yeah, doing burnouts and donuts and stuff. Well, like we got some videos of that too. I'll post those up. That was pretty sweet. That was probably the best part. The expo was pretty cool too. It was cool walking around. And then the truck show.
The truck show. Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Different
I like
options.
seeing all that stuff. Yeah. Different ways to do stuff. But yeah, it was pretty cool. But yeah.
L5P needs tunes.
L5P needs to be, yes. Someone figure that out, please. That thing's way too quiet. It could be faster, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It was fun. We'll definitely go back next year, and hopefully hit some more stuff this year. Hopefully,
Sunscreen. Bring sunscreen if you
sunscreen helps if you're sitting out on bleachers all day and baking in the sun
Little bird.
slightly. But
Overall, good time.
yeah, it was fun. Yeah, hopefully we'll hit some. Drive your vehicle. Yeah, hopefully we'll hit some more this year. More events this year. That'd be cool. If any local guys are around and want to hang out or something, let me know. All we have is all my trucks and a stock L5P.
Yep.
But yeah. Anything else?
Don't think so.
Alright, well that'll do it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. I'll try to get everything up. I don't know where this will go and what. I'll probably do a few different videos from UCC would be my guess. So but yeah, good UCC trip, a lot of fun. If you guys weren't there, you missed out. I definitely should try to go. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button before you go. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.